Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.41, which is notable against our historical baseline. This uptick indicates an unusually optimistic shift in investing sentiment, especially given that momentum has dipped to minus 0.23 over the last 24 hours. This divergence could signal an opportunity for you, perhaps a short-term rebound or an emerging trend. Our API delivers real-time sentiment analysis, including 20 semantic clusters that help you understand the context behind this data. Imagine integrating this insight to adjust your trading strategy in response to this sentiment spike. You can leverage our API to build alerts or optimize your portfolio based on rapidly shifting investor attitudes. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this insight into actionable intelligence together.